We always talk about these different financial jargon terms and everything, but what about in-service rollovers? What exactly does that mean? So it's while you're still working and contributing into, say, a 401k or 403b or some type of retirement plan, but you're interested in the possibility of rolling that money over, say, to an IRA account. So a lot of times people think they have to wait until they're fully retired before they can move those assets from a 401k, 403b over to an IRA. But some companies may allow you to do that at any time. Some companies might say perhaps, oh, you have to wait till you're age 59 and a half. And there's some that, again, are just going to say, well, you can't touch it. You have to wait until retirement. And it's going to vary for each company out there. So 401ks and 403bs, they're going to provide a limited number of investments because that makes the administration of these plans a lot easier for them. So however, you have IRAs that then open up a great deal of different investments for you and investment options. So again, you might be looking at your 401k statement that'll say, okay, here's the different funds to choose from. Meanwhile, in IRA, your investment options are somewhat limitless. So how would you go about even finding out? You would essentially just call typically the 800 number that's listed on your statement and simply say, hey, I'm curious. I have an IRA account and I was interested in potentially rolling over my money from my 401k over to an IRA. Is that a possibility for me? And from there, they'll let you know, nope, here are the different rules associated with that, and then you can determine essentially if that's something that would be important to you. So with this, a lot of times people are curious too, is this a taxable event? No, if it would not be if you're going as a direct rollover. So 401k directly to an IRA is considered a direct rollover. You're not receiving funds, and so it wouldn't be a taxable event. And now something else to consider is maybe if you've been contributing into a Roth of the 401k, then again you would need to establish a Roth IRA to essentially make sure it's a direct rollover. Again, IRAs offer you a wide variety of options, and we encourage you to just reach out to your 401k or 403b provider just to learn if that's an option for you and if you have the ability to do that. So again, this is in-service rollovers, and if you have more specific questions about this and want to get more details, you're welcome to give us a call anytime.